Hey everyone, and welcome back to Good Food Made Better. Today I'm making another rainbow treat. It's going to be a rainbow cake pop. First thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to take your cake mix and you're going to divide it into 5 different bowls, making each bowl a different color of your choice. Today I have chosen to do blue, green, yellow, orange, and red. And then you're going to bake them into a standard muffin pan. If you are using a standard muffin pan, you use 2, make 2 of them the same color, or if you want, I used a oversized muffin pan, so I did 1 of each color in those. Once they are cooked, you're going to want to take them out of the oven, let them cool until they are completely cooled. Then you're going to want to crumble them up, like so. Here's the ones that I have. They're very vibrant and very colorful. Let's get going. Okay, so right here I have some normal plain Jane vanilla icing. You're going to want to take about 1 tablespoon to 2 tablespoons of this icing per bowl. You're going to want to mix it up until all the cake crumbs and the icing are completely combined. Let's go ahead and get the icing into our cake crumbles, and then I'll see you then. Alright, so what you're going to want to do after you get your cake mix and your icing mixed, you just take a little bit of yellow, a little bit of orange, a little bit of your red, a little bit of green, and a little bit of blue. So that way you have like a hosh-kosh of colors. Then you do it up.
Hello. Hello, camera.
Cake balls are all done being rolled into little balls. They're super cool looking. Put these in the freezer for 10 minutes. Then when you take them out, they're going to be ready to be dipped into our chocolate. To take your bark chocolate, chop it up, put it in a bowl, and put it in the microwave doing 30 seconds. Stir it, and then after that, go by 10-second increments until it's completely melted. I have my bark chocolate melted here. I've got my cake pops out of the freezer, and then I have these cute little confetti sprinkles that I'm going to be sprinkling over the top. Alright, so you're going to want to take a cake pop, put it on your fork, set it in there, take a spoon, go over. Alright, now you're going to want to take this, put it back onto your pan, take some sprinkles and sprinkle it on there. So let's go ahead and get all of these done, and then I'll show you what they look like. Alright, there you go. There's the cake pops. They're so yummy and they're super colorful. The kids love them. Once you let the shell completely harden, you'll know when it's hardened because it'll lose that glossy look to it. Then you can go ahead and either make them into a bouquet or just simply set them onto a platter and let your kids go crazy. These are perfect for birthday parties and any other sort of event, or maybe just a little sweet treat for your kids.
Whee!
Is it good?
Yeah.
There we go. Those are so cool, huh?
Mm-hmm.